Yo, what's up, YouTube? Click that like, share, and subscribe button. Get my numbers up. Let me get these numbers up. Anyways, I just wanted to put my 2 cents in on what's going on with FreshAndFit. I just got done watching their 6-hour show. They just mercilessly dissected, sliced, and diced some crazy ass, lying ass, white liberal dude named H3 or whatever. This podcast where they brought on a chick that went on FreshAndFit show and she's lying about the dude firing. And so they had to attack her with the truth. They attacked him with the truth. Goes to show these bitches will lie on you. Always have your damn ducks in a row. Make sure you have your evidence. Record if you have to. They will lie on you. Yeah, I learned something else. Make sure you don't talk on the phone with a text. I know sometimes everybody lady got in arguments with women texting and stuff. They just end up calling because it's quicker. But no, do that shit. Text. Or everything being writing. So they can't say you lied or whatever. They can't say they telling the truth when they were lying. But yes, this Me Too movement, all of that nonsense. Motherfuckers get tired of that shit. You can't just be going around lying on people. Like, how you gonna lie about feeling uncomfortable, telling this crazy H3 dude on the podcast that he was uncomfortable being around fit. But yet you're changing your clothes at his house. He tell you to use a mouthwash because your breath stinky. You used it. And then Thomas kind of ask him, you see some White Claw, whatever, you eat his refrigerator, you ask if you can have something, but yet you're supposedly uncomfortable. Man, fuck out of here. Y'all chicks need to stop all this goddamn line. You know, it don't make no damn sense. What it is, and bitch go get their damn way, they go food. They go food, they do get their damn way. You know, that's why, although I have it on my car, it made time stickers. But I don't mind dealing with a woman, but all the bullshit that comes from it, drama. I have drama with women out there. Shit, hell, one got me locked up on my fucking birthday. Oh, some shit she started over my shit. She subscribes to the channel, right? By the way, so she watches. She ain't gonna be too happy if we slip to that. I don't care if they lied on me, and you know you did. But anyways, yeah, you gotta be careful with these chicks. They will lie on them. And they'll do it for clout and attention. Like Tommy Sotomayor said, they do it for DNA. They get attention. And they'll get the dick, they'll get the attention. You just gotta be careful. This little quick video, I'm working. But like it's about to rain again. I got caught up in a hailstorm earlier. Rolling my plans up. Supposed to go make the week stop in a little bit, but that's gonna happen. Anyways, I'll be back. Click the like, share, and subscribe button.